Now, you who are still in religion, in your beliefs, in your doctrines, let me remind you, there are things that won't get you to heaven. What are these things that won't get you to heaven? Well, number one here is good work, baptism, church attendance, charity, feeding the poor, math, the rosary, communion, parents, friends, clergy, political affiliation, positive thinking, being a good person. So, if these things won't get you to heaven, what really gets you into heaven? Can you answer that? It's only the Lord Jesus Christ.